Is free credit monitoring actually free? Unveiling Borrowell. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance, specifically a service many of you might be curious about, Borrowell. They offer free credit monitoring, credit score access, and even loan options. But with so many free services these days, you might be wondering, is Borrowell actually trustworthy, or is there a hidden catch? Let's face it, our credit score is a big deal. It impacts everything from loan approvals and interest rates to renting an apartment or even getting a job. Keeping an eye on your credit health is crucial, so a free monitoring service sounds pretty tempting. But before you jump in, it's important to understand what Borrowell is all about. Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company with a focus on helping people improve their financial well-being. Their main service is providing free credit score monitoring and reports through a partnership with Equifax, one of Canada's two major credit bureaus. Sounds great, right? Well, there's always more to the story. First, let's address the elephant in the room. How does Borrowell make money if they offer core services for free? Here's where things get interesting. Borrowell makes money primarily by recommending financial products, personal loans, credit cards, and other, from their network of lenders. If you choose a product through Borrowell, they get a commission from the lender. It's a referral system, essentially. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean Borrowell is pushing products you don't need. They do offer educational resources and tools to help you understand your credit and make informed financial decisions. Their AI-powered credit coach can even give you personalized tips on improving your score. However, it's important to be aware of the potential bias. Borrowell wants you to use their recommendations, so there's a chance they might highlight products that benefit them more than necessarily being the absolute best fit for you. Here's another point to consider: security. Sharing your financial information online is always a concern. Borrowell claims to use top-notch security measures to protect your data, but, like with any online service, there's always a risk. It's wise to do your research on Borrowell's security practices before signing up. So, is Borrowell trustworthy? Here's the verdict: Borrowell is a legitimate company with a good reputation in Canada. They're accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have been featured in major media outlets. However, it's important to be aware of their business model and the potential for bias in their recommendations. Here's the bottom line: free credit monitoring can be a valuable tool, but it's not without its limitations. Borrowell can be a good starting point, but don't rely solely on them for your credit health. Make sure to check your credit reports with both Equifax and TransUnion, the other major credit bureau in Canada, regularly. You can also access a free credit report once a year directly from each bureau. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Borrowell is up to you. If you're comfortable with their referral system and prioritize convenience, it might be a good option. Just remember to be a savvy financial consumer and do your own research before making any decisions based on their recommendations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.